Hi, this is Abhijit. I stay at Thane. Few months back, around 6 months we can say, I was having issue of cholesterol and then high uric acid. So when I went to the doctor said you have to take some action. I said, doctor, I'm already taking the medicine. What should I do now? Doctor said diet. I said diet is not a cup of my tea because I never heard that diet can be done from normal people. It is in my mind, it is like imagination that this is for celebrities or big people. But then he said that no, we can also do the diet. Just find some good dietitian. Then I searched on internet. I found out about Balcal and I saw the highest rating in Balcal. There I come to know that Balcal is having good support and guidance. So I thought let's go and give a try. Then when I contacted here, Pradnya and Richa guided me that what is exactly your current body composition, where you are and where you have to reach. And these are the systematic plans we are giving. And then week by week I followed it. It was little challenging in the starting, but then I got to know that this is something manageable. We just have to do some little changes in our daily diet and you can see the results in weeks. So I was at 85 in the start, 85 kg. Then slowly I come to 80. Then slowly after 6 months I am at 68. So I reduced around 17 kg, and it is the combined effect of both diet and workout. Both things which I think it's mattered a lot, and dietitian Pradnya and Richa guided me, supported me step by step. I was having a query at the night 8:30, 9 o'clock, but still I got the response from them. So that is the support thing I like much about Balcal. I like to thank you the entire team for keeping me very updated, as well as the things which I never expected in my life, that is the thing which I got here. So thank you Balcal for your support and guidance.